Hello everyone. Today let's start with the chapter number 1 and the chapter name is Earth in Solar System. Okay, this is the first chapter of geography. So children, you will know about the solar system. What is solar system and the family of solar system. Okay children. So what is the solar system? The solar system consists of the sun, the stars, the moon and the planets. The sun, the moon and other shining objects like stars are called celestial bodies, and this is the family of solar system. Okay, and we will know about one by one. So firstly we will know about the sun. Sun is a very heavenly body. Okay, and what is the sun? The sun is in the center of the solar system and made up of hot gases, and the sun is made up of hot gases and a mixture of gases. It is the ultimate sources of energy, heat and light. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, and it is a heavenly body. Okay children, and now we will know about the stars. What is the stars? The stars are the bright glowing lights which are countless in numbers and have their own heat and lights. Okay, so firstly it is the features of stars. They have on heat and on light. In the night sky some stars twinkle and some just glow. Some stars have bright light and some have dim light. So stars have different size and shapes. These are features of stars. Okay children. So next we will know about the moon. The moon is the nearest neighbor of the earth in space. The surface of moon is covered with rocks, mountains, dust and plains. So it has large round details called craters on a full moon night. So when we will see a full moon, that is called Purnima. Okay, the name of Purnima, and we are able to see light and dark areas. The dark areas plains and the light areas are mountain in the moon. When we will see in the moon on date of Purnima, so you can see the picture of mountain and plains. The moon has different shapes and different positions. The moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth, and the moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. This is the satellite of only one satellite of earth. The planets. So planets, the name of planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets move around the sun. And now firstly we will know about the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and nearest planet in the solar system. It is closest to the sun. That takes 88 days to complete its orbit around the sun and 59 days on its axis. Mercury goes around the sun about 4 times, while the earth is going around once. On Mercury, the temperature range from 183 degrees Celsius to 430 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no satellite. Okay children, so Mercury has no any one satellite. And Venus is the 6th largest planet in the solar system and the second closest to the sun. So there are two features. One feature is the number of 6 as according to largest, and second feature, it is the closest, number 2, the closest to the sun. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. Venus completes its one rotation in 255 days around the sun. The 243 days on its axis. Venus has no satellite. Okay, so you can say the Venus has no moon. Venus is also known as the Earth's twin. This is because this is the look like the Earth. That's why we can say the twins of the sun. Now we will know about the earth. Earth is our planet where we exist. Okay, earth is the third planet from the sun and the fifth largest in the solar system. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete its one rotation around the sun and 24 hours on its axis. So the earth is neither too hot or not too cold, so you can say the weather is moderate. Okay, it has water and air which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the earth is a unique planet in the solar system. Earth has only one natural satellite, that is moon, and moon is the satellite of the earth, and you can see the blue planet of the earth. Earth, the other name of earth is blue planet. Okay, because the large part of area is water. Okay, and next Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the seventh largest in the solar system. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere. Mars completes its one rotation in 687 days around the sun and 24 hours on its axis. Mars has two satellites, and you can say the Mars has two moons. Okay, Earth has one and Mars has two moons. Okay, children, now we will know about the Jupiter. The Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the largest planet in the solar system. So Jupiter is a gas giant. Its diameter is 88,846 miles. It means 1,42,984 kilometers. It's a very vast area which is more than 11 times that of the earth and bigger than earth, more than 11 times bigger than the earth, and about 1/10 of the sun. Jupiter completes its one rotation around the sun in 11 years and 11 months. It takes 9 hours 56 minutes for one revolution on its axis. Jupiter has 16 moons, and you can say that Jupiter has 16 satellites, like India has only one. Earth has only one. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. Saturn takes 29 years and 5 months to complete its one rotation around the sun. It takes 10 hours 40 minutes for one revolution on its axis. Saturn has about 18 moons, so you can say also Saturn has 18 satellites. Okay, children. So next we will know about the Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun and the third largest in the solar system. It completes its one rotation around the sun in 84 years and takes 17 hours 14 minutes for one revolution on its axis. Uranus has about 17 moons, so you can say the Uranus have 17 satellites. Okay, so this is the feature of Uranus. And next and last, Neptune is the eighth planet from the earth. It completes its one rotation around the sun in 164 years and takes 16 hours 7 minutes for one revolution on its axis. Okay, and Neptune has 8 moons, and it means Neptune has 8 satellites, and Neptune is 17 times heavier from the mass of Earth. So this is also heavier from the mass of Earth. Okay, and now apart of planets, there are some other heavenly bodies in our solar system, like asteroids. Asteroids are the teeny bodies that move around the sun. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. It is found between the orbit of Mars. Okay, orbit of Mars and Jupiter. It means between of Mars and Jupiter. And next, meteoroids. Meteoroids are the small pieces of rocks. So what is the meteoroids? It is the small pieces of rocks that moves around the sun. When the meteoroids come into the Earth's atmosphere, they burn due to the frictions with the year. Okay children, and here you can see the picture of another heavenly bodies of the solar system. So this is enough for this chapter, and the part of this we will describe you the another next video. Okay, till then, thank you children, have a nice day, be safe.